Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today where we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys, display and brightness setting guys, and today video title is guys adaptive brightness mode guys. How can we enable in Samsung phone device? Guys, we want to enable guys your Samsung phone guys adaptive brightness setting. How can you enable and how can you use in your Samsung phone device? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable guys adaptive brightness mode and how can we use it. Friend, first of all, you will have to on guys your Samsung phone setting guys. After phone setting, we can search here also guys. So adaptive guys, we will tap here guys. As you can see guys, you this adaptive setting, adaptive brightness setting guys. You want to enable guys, you can enable from here direct, and we will tap here. And after enable you guys, your brightness will decrease automatic in your Samsung phone device. So when you will go outside guys, when you will come inside guys, your brightness will increase and decrease automatic in your Samsung phone device. So we call it adaptive brightness mode, and guys we can use after enable it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.